Class 10 construction question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameters, each at a distance of 7 cm from the center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. Okay, I'll send you the written solution also, but right now I'm just in short explaining you the steps how you're going to perform that construction. Written solution I'll be forwarding. Okay, so this is what the question said. First requirement was they wanted you to draw a circle of radius, whatever given radius. I think that is no problem. So mark your center and draw this circle. Okay, then they were saying that consider any one diameter. So suppose this is a diameter that I have taken. Then extend this diameter such that from the center point P on one side and the other side also extended, Q on the other side will be at a distance of 7 centimeters. Okay, I think that is how it was said. The circle's radius was 3 and P and Q were at a distance of 7 centimeters from the center. Right? So this is how we'll get it done. Okay, circle बनाया, एक कोई भी diameter ले लो आप, उसको extend करो, OP being 7, OQ also being 7. Then they were saying that from these external points P and Q, draw tangents to this circle. So P से भी tangents बनानी है and Q से भी. So our basic working remains the same. We join from an external point. What do? We join the external point to the center, which is already done in this case. ये हमने already diameter ही extend किया था, तो ये joint है. Then we draw perpendicular bisector of this line segment joining the center to that external point. So PO, QO दोनों का आपने perpendicular bisector बनाना है. How do we do that? Keep your compass at P, one arc above, one below. At O, above, below. From this O, the other side also above, below. From Q also above and below. And these points will help you draw your perpendicular bisector, and the line meets these perpendicular bisector at the center of the circles that we need to draw now. So as they have named it as M and M dash. Now with MO or maybe MP, both will be equal, further equal to OM dash as well as M dash Q, क्योंकि exactly same symmetry चल रही है हमारी. 7 here, 7 here, तो equally आएगा. Okay, complete these another 2 circles this way, and then we know that these circles meet the given circle at the point of contact. So this meeting points are the points of contact. Join the point to R, S, name it anything, this way, and hence that is your required construction. Next is your question 4, which says that draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Okay, so for this what I've done is I've first drawn a rough sketch for understanding the question, that what is required. Okay, so that was our question number 4. They were saying that for a circle you have to draw 2 tangents which will be at an angle of 60 degree. The angle between the tangents is 60 degree. So somewhat like this. Circle इस पे tangent है from an external point जिनके बीच का angle 60 है. Now from the properties of circles that we have studied, we know that tangent and radius are always at right angle. So I've shown this right angle here. Plus this was another property that being a quadrilateral, obviously 90-90 being 180, sum of these two, these are supplementary angles. Okay, या property of quadrilateral लगाओ या जैसे भी आप लगाते हो, we know that if this angle is 60, the angle here between these radii will come out to be 120 degrees. तो ये external point तो हमें पता नहीं था, so we cannot practically construct 60 degrees out here when we don't know the point only. Okay, but yes, since we are drawing the circle, we know its center. So ये construction हमारे लिए convenient है. So we've calculated this, that if this is 60, this will be its supplementary 180 minus 60, 120 degrees. So ये हम बना लेंगे. Okay, so that was just the rough idea. Now for the construction, how will you start it? Okay, drawing the circle is no bigger task for us. So for that, you simply need to measure 5 centimeter radius का था उसने, 0 पे compass रखो, measure your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter radius. Okay, and then construct your circle. Okay, highlight the center, give it some name O. Okay, and then complete your circle. All of you can do that, right? Now after that, what is your next task is that you have got to draw any radius. Okay, so anywhere you can draw it. Like I have done it this way. This O I have joined to any point A out here. ये कोई इसका कोई हार्ड एंड पास नहीं है, आप कैसे भी बना सकते हो ये रेडियस. ओके, एनी वन रेडियस आपने फ्रीली बना देना है. सो मेक वन रेडियस हियर OA. Now after that, as in the rough sketch we had seen, the angle between the two radii was 120. So we will make, on this radius we will construct an angle of 120 degrees. Okay, so keep your compass point here now. Okay, with any suitable radius we will draw semicircular arc this way. Okay, you all know how to make 120 degrees. Then next, keeping your compass point here, we get 60 degrees. Then from 60 degree point another 60, so 60 plus 60, this is 120 degrees. All right, now we will join these 2 points, 0 and 120 mark, and extend it to find the other radius. Okay, this first radius, wherever the first radius meets your circle, that is your first point of contact. In A, name it anything, and then इस पे जब आप 120 degree का another radius बनाते हो यहाँ पे, call this point of contact as some other name B. Okay, so we have got the two radii which are at an angle of 120 degrees now. Okay, next क्या था इसमें हमें दिख रहा था that these two angles will be 90 degrees. So we will construct that as well. Okay, so at this point A as well as at B, we will construct 90 degree angle. Okay, so for that 90 degree angle, again keep your compass at A, draw the semicircular arc, then from here first arc of 60, then next of 120, same way here also. Okay, दोनों तरफ बनाना है हमने. So for 120 out here again semicircular arc बनाओ, then from here measure 60 degrees first, then from 60 another 60. Then you will make bisector between 60 and 120, because 60 and 120 के बीच में again 60 degrees है, half of 60 30. Okay, if you bisect it तो 30 degrees हो जाएगा, तो 60 plus 30 90. Okay, all of you must be knowing how to draw 90 degrees. So yes, that is what has been done here. तो ये जो 60 का and 120 का mark मिला था, यहाँ से अभी थोड़ा बड़ा कर लो radius, increase your radius and draw one arc here. Then from 120 degrees another arc to cut the previous arc. Same way at B as well. So from 60 degrees and from 120 degrees we'll make arcs to obtain bisector 30 more, so that becomes 90. Then join this point obtained with point B and extend it. Right, likewise here ये जो point मिला था हमें bisector of 60 and 120 का, join that point to A and extend it. These two extended lines which are actually tangent. अब ये radii था and ये आपने इसमें 90 का angle बनाया, तो this ought to be tangent. So both the tangents will go and meet at a point and automatically this angle out here will come out to be 60. So that was given to us, but हमने ये बनाया नहीं है, but आपने ये जब सब बनाए हैं तो वो automatically by properties of this is forming a quadrilateral, this will come out to be 60 degrees. Okay, so steps also likewise you can write, children. What do you have to do in step writing? Step 1, you would say with center O, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter था शायद, yes 5 centimeter. Then make any radius OA and on that construct an angle of 120 degrees at the center to obtain another radii OB. Okay, at the point of contact A and B construct angle of 90 degrees. Okay, तो पूरा आपको explain नहीं करना होता है कैसे construct करना है, you just write construct an angle of 90 degree. Okay, then extend these lines, tangent lines AP and BP to meet at point P. The angle between the tangents would be 60 degrees. So बस उसको आप points में लिख भी देना है जो जो आप कर रहे हो, right?